Sun-kissed plates, slimmer waistlines, my Mediterranean adventure. Picture this: crystal clear waters, sun-drenched shores, and plates piled high with vibrant, delicious food. That's what I experienced on my recent trip to the Mediterranean. But here's the thing, it wasn't just a feast for the eyes. It was a life-changing experience for my health too. You see, I've always loved food. Cooking is my passion, and I'm all about big flavors and satisfying meals. But I'll admit, I haven't always made the healthiest choices. After years of indulging, I noticed my energy levels dipping and my waistline expanding. Sound familiar? That's when I discovered the power of the Mediterranean diet. This way of eating isn't about deprivation or strict rules. It's about embracing fresh, wholesome ingredients and a way of life that celebrates good food and good company. And the best part? It worked wonders for me. I felt lighter, more energized, and my clothes even fit better. But it wasn't just about shedding a few pounds. My skin glowed, my digestion improved, and I felt healthier than ever before. What's on the table? Unpacking the Mediterranean diet. So, what exactly is the Mediterranean diet? Imagine a plate filled with colorful vegetables, drizzled with heart-healthy olive oil, and seasoned with fragrant herbs. That's the essence of this incredible way of eating. At its core, the Mediterranean diet prioritizes fresh whole foods and minimizes processed junk. Think fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. It's all about nourishing your body with the good stuff naturally. One of the reasons this diet is so effective for weight loss is its emphasis on healthy fats. Don't run away from fats. Olive oil, avocados, nuts, and seeds are your friends. They keep you feeling full and satisfied, which means you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks. Plus, the abundance of fiber from fruits, vegetables, and whole grains keeps your digestion happy and your blood sugar levels balanced. This means no more crazy sugar crashes that leave you craving sugary treats. Olive oil, liquid gold for your body. Let's talk about olive oil for a moment, shall we? It's the cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, and for good reason. This liquid gold is packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. But that's not all. Olive oil is also a powerful anti-inflammatory, which means it can help protect your body from chronic diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's. And let's not forget its delicious flavor, which can transform even the simplest dishes into culinary masterpieces. Think of a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil over a caprese salad, a dollop in your hearty minestrone soup, or even a spoonful in your morning smoothie. It's the simplest way to add a dose of healthy fats and incredible flavor to your meals. So, embrace the olive oil, my friends. Your heart, your taste buds, and your overall health will thank you. Fishy business. Dive into omega-3. Goodness. Now, let's talk about another star of the Mediterranean diet, fish. This underwater protein is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health, heart health, and reducing inflammation. Think of salmon, tuna, mackerel, sardines. These are your new best friends. Aim for at least 2 servings of fish per week to reap the amazing benefits of omega-3s. But it's not just about the omega-3s. Fish is also a great source of lean protein, which helps you feel full and satisfied. And it's low in unhealthy saturated fat. This makes it a perfect choice for those looking to shed pounds and improve their overall health. So ditch the greasy burgers and embrace the power of the sea. Your body and taste buds will thank you for it. Herbs and spices flavor bursts, minus the guilt. One of the things I love most about the Mediterranean diet is its emphasis on flavor. Forget bland and boring meals. This way of eating is all about tantalizing your taste buds with fresh herbs and spices. Think fragrant basil, earthy oregano, zesty lemon zest, pungent garlic, and warming cinnamon. These culinary heroes not only add incredible depth of flavor to your dishes, but they also come with a whole host of health benefits. Herbs and spices are packed with antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage, boost your immune system, and may even help fight cancer. Plus, they're naturally low in calories and sodium, making them the perfect way to add flavor without the guilt. So ditch the processed sauces and spice mixes and embrace the power of fresh herbs and spices. Your taste buds and your body will be forever grateful. Colorful plates, vibrant health fruits and veggies galore. Let's be honest, no healthy diet is complete without a generous dose of fruits and vegetables. And the Mediterranean diet takes this to a whole new level. This way of eating celebrates the bounty of nature with an abundance of colorful, flavorful produce. Think juicy tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, leafy greens, sweet berries, and vibrant citrus fruits. These nutritional powerhouses are packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber, all essential for a healthy body and a happy waistline. Fruits and vegetables are naturally low in calories and fat, making them the perfect food for weight management. Plus, their high fiber content keeps you feeling full and satisfied, preventing those pesky cravings for unhealthy snacks. So make friends with the fruits and vegetables aisle at your local market. Aim for at least 5 servings a day and watch your health and energy levels soar. Whole grains, fueling your body the right way. When it comes to carbs, the Mediterranean diet is all about choosing the right kind. Forget processed white bread and sugary cereals. This way of eating embraces the goodness of whole grains, which are packed with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Think hearty whole wheat bread, nutty quinoa, fiber-rich brown rice, and wholesome barley. These complex carbohydrates provide sustained energy release, keeping you feeling full and energized throughout the day. Unlike refined grains, which can spike your blood sugar levels and lead to cravings and weight gain, whole grains are digested slowly, preventing those dreaded sugar crashes. This makes them a perfect choice for those looking to manage their weight and improve their overall health. So, ditch the white stuff and embrace the power of whole grains. Your body will thank you for the sustained energy and the long-term health benefits. Beyond the scale Mediterranean living for a healthier heart and more. Here's the thing about the Mediterranean diet. It's not just about weight loss. It's about overall health and well-being. This way of eating has been linked to a lower risk of heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, Alzheimer's disease, and even some types of cancer. Studies have shown that people who follow a Mediterranean diet have lower blood pressure, lower cholesterol levels, and better blood sugar control. They're also less likely to suffer from depression and cognitive decline as they age. But it's not just about the food. The Mediterranean lifestyle embraces physical activity, social connection, and mindful eating. It's about savoring your meals with loved ones, enjoying the outdoors, and taking the time to appreciate the simple pleasures in life. So, embrace the Mediterranean lifestyle and reap the benefits of a healthier heart, a sharper mind, and a happier, more fulfilling life. Ready to go Mediterranean? Your journey starts now. So are you ready to embark on a delicious journey towards a healthier you? The Mediterranean diet isn't just a diet, it's a lifestyle change that can transform your health and well-being from the inside out. Start by incorporating more fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats into your meals. Experiment with new herbs and spices, and ditch the processed junk in favor of whole, unprocessed foods. Remember, this isn't about deprivation. It's about enjoying delicious, satisfying meals that nourish your body and fuel your life. So, grab your olive oil, stock up on fresh produce, and get cooking. Your Mediterranean adventure awaits.